Hi friends, welcome to day 4 of the 7-day mindful drawing challenge for self-discovery and inner transformation. And day 4 means you're exactly in the middle of the challenge. Things get heated. Day 1, we've planted a seed for a change that needed to happen inside us. Day 2, we faced our hesitation, our fears, and we learned to let go. Day 3, we finally stepped into a beautiful, interesting, thrilling new world. So the day 4 is first challenges that we need to undergo in order to face the main challenge. Take it as a test. So on a psychological level, we will face something that's bothering us. But it's not just that. On this journey, as Harry arrives to Hogwarts and go through his first challenges, battles, facing monsters, he hasn't faced Voldemort yet, but along that way, Harry Potter finds his best friends. The metaphor of that support that we have around us when we face those challenges. And that support could be in people, or could be in your routines, or could be something inside you, of course. So 2 questions that I will ask you today are: what is bothering you right now? And what do I need today? What is bothering me versus what do I need today? And we will, of course, explore it through drawing. Before we begin, as always, close your eyes and scan your body. Is there something that's bothering you, even if things seem fine on the surface? Let yourself feel into that quiet discomfort. Don't be afraid of it, just notice. Now, draw a circle in your sketchbook. This is your container, holding space for you to reveal whatever might feel uncomfortable. Then draw an abstract shape of yourself today, anywhere that feels right, using the initial feeling that you had. Allow it to reveal your true feelings. No pressure, no rush. When you're finished, gently ask yourself, what do I need the most right now? You can pause and close your eyes if that helps. Then, reveal your answer through your drawing. Continue developing your drawing by focusing on both the discomfort you've noticed and the needs you've discovered. I know it feels confusing, but you have to feel your own sense of what feels right. For example, I started drawing symbols for the things that press on me, and then suddenly other shapes emerged, and those represented something that's soothing. So follow your own feelings. When you feel the drawing is complete, pause and observe what has unfolded. First, write down 5 words that describe what you see. They can be visual or symbolic, like core, purple, fire, or emotional, like attacked, protected, soothed. Next, take those words and write a small poem from the drawing's perspective, starting with I am. Let it give voice to the part of you that feels tender, maybe hurt, but also supported. Finally, write a short message of encouragement from the drawing to you, something that gives permission to trust the step ahead. For example, it's okay to say no, even to those you love. This is your drawing, a brave step toward facing what's real, a reminder that you can hold your own discomfort and still be okay. So that's it. You are finished with day 4. That means you've done over half of the challenge. It is uncomfortable to draw something that's bothering you, to express this. But it's also obviously healthy because you externalize your worry or your anxiety, whatever that's bothering you, into the paper. Now, the beautiful part of that process that you might enjoy is drawing what do you need. And I personally found so much beauty in drawing that support that I needed. When I drew what I need and I was drawing what I need from others, I realized that I have this inside me. Besides, I can spread that strength that I have inside me to others and help them too. So that was beautiful for me. How is it going for you guys? I'm so curious how each day your drawings are evolving and you're realizing something new about yourself. Please share in comments or in a private Telegram group. Whew, let's take a big breath because tomorrow is our main challenge. Get ready for the most uncomfortable part and please, please, please show up. You are just a few steps away from the rewards and from that in the transformation. So I hope to see you tomorrow. I hope to see you at day 5. Bye for now.